What's up, guys? Gonna do the cinnamon challenge. I'm scared. Got my water. Cinnamon, of course. And I already poured cinnamon in here. I know that's not a lot, but why don't you do it, you little pussies? I'll put more. Alright, whatever. And fucking scared. So hey. I just finished doing one, and I forgot to get the camera, so yeah. Ready? Not that bad. That really burns.
¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso? ¿Ah? ¿Qué es? No. No.
Shit.
¿Eh? ¿Dónde?
Don't do that. It's not good. And yes, I did swallow the cinnamon. I swallowed some, but burns like shit. Well, as you can see, that's the cinnamon right there. Even got some in the chair. And that. And that's the cinnamon challenge. Shit, now I got cinnamon all over. If you're gonna do this, try to find one. I don't know if they're all spice, but it's a spice there. Don't get one. Fuck. Now I know why. It fucking sucks. Serious. This sucks. It's a pretty long video, 5 minutes, but shit, now I have to clean it up. So, go over the camera. Ew, cinnamon all over the camera. So you're gonna do it with the smaller spoon. This is a fucking huge ass spoon. And fucking try one that says you can fucking swallow it. Fuck. I mean, who the fuck invented it? Why would some guy just say, oh yeah, fuck not swallow it? Fuck. Damn, smart people are stupid.